Hello, this is Etienne from Abicor Binzel, here today to talk about the xFUME Smoke Extraction MIG Torch. The xFUME Smoke Extraction MIG Torch comes in a variety of capacity from 250 amp to 500 amp in air-cooled version or water-cooled version. With this torch you can effectively capture smoke from MIG welding, whether you use a solid wire, a flux core wire, or a metal core wire. It is especially effective with flux core wire that creates a lot of smoke. The ergonomics of the xFUME are designed with the welders in mind. It features an extremely comfortable grip and also a swivel here to reduce the welder's fatigue. Most smoke extraction torches are still heavy on the market today. The xFUME features a lightweight construction and helps the welder's comfort for a long period of time. The neck of the torch has been designed with the angle and the shape to optimize the welder's position and also the smoke capture at the same time. It features tapered consumable from the nozzle to the smoke shroud to give you a better view of your work and a perfect access to every kind of joint. The fume shroud features large opening in a position that is actually further away from the weld to make sure that you're not capturing the shielding gas from the MIG welding process. We have different shrouds. One is made of steel to give you better durability, and other ones are made in a different shape that is optimizing smoke capture even in a vertical welding position. Talking about consumable, the xFUME torch comes with the high quality consumable that Binzel has on every other torch. It also features a coarse threaded nozzle for easy removal and cleaning. The flow has been optimized here with larger holes on the fume shrouds, a less restrictive handle, and a larger hose diameter. The flow was optimized all the way to the back end of the torch, where we have a Y connector that's less restrictive than the T connector. It's really important not to have a restrictive connection because the more flow you have through the torch, the better the smoke extraction will be. Why choose xFUME Smoke Extraction MIG Torch? Because it is a very effective tool for smoke extraction. It keeps the welder healthy and productive. It also helps you maintain a healthy work environment in your plant. For more information on the xFUME Smoke Extraction MIG Torch, contact your local distributor or your Binzel representative. This is Etienne from Abicor Binzel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.